I tell our clients it's important to consult with an attorney after an incident such as an auto accident, a premise liability, an injury from a defective product, because one, it's free. You can come and sit down with us and figure out what your rights are or are not. Number two, it is difficult for a layperson many times to go through the process of dealing with insurance companies and adjusters if they don't have someone fighting for them. Folks have to keep in mind that although some insurance companies and adjusters are there to take care of injured folks, they work for an insurance company. That insurance company's job is to make money just like any other corporation. So with that in mind, it is oftentimes important or relevant for an adjuster to do whatever they can to devalue someone's claim right off the bat. So typically we have tips on who you should or should not talk to, things you should or should not say, documents you should or should not sign. And most folks don't understand that process, and that's why it's important to sit down, talk with one of us. It's a free consultation. That doesn't mean we're going to take the case right then. It's just valuable to get information on what you should or should not do, maybe for the first week or two after something happens to you. In our firm, to hire a personal injury lawyer, not only is it a free consultation, you can come in even before hiring a lawyer here in our firm, at least in the injury context. But if you ultimately make the decision that you want our firm to represent you in the case, hiring the lawyer costs you nothing up front. We represent clients on what's called a contingency fee, which means unless we recover for you, we don't get paid. That includes the time that we put in, but it also includes the cost. We will front the cost to get your medical records, to talk with your doctors, to deal with the insurance documentation that oftentimes people can't really understand. We will handle all that, and if we recover against the insurance company, our recovery is contingent upon that. Typically is a third of the recovery unless we get into a lawsuit situation or a disputed liability. It can go up to 40% under some circumstances, but under no circumstances do you have to pay us unless we actually get you a recovery that you authorize us to settle for or a verdict that ultimately comes from a jury.